Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into your CUBOT X19 S. First of all, go into Settings and then scroll down and find Security and Location option, this one. Then on the bottom we got Advanced, so tap it and scroll down. And then go into SIM card lock. Then choose your SIM card and click on the lock SIM card to turn off. Click it. From blocking, enter PIN from your SIM card. Click OK. And that's it. Now we removed our SIM pin from SIM card. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.